Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Toast employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in payroll.toasttab.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Toast login portal. Just type in your email address or your username that you have used while signing up for your account within the email or username box, and then click on the next button. Once you click on next, you will be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your password within the password box and then click on I'm not a robot in order to verify your identity. You can then click on the next button and now you will be logged in to your Toast employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Toast employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.